Hello guys, welcome to TopTube channel. Guys, nowadays we are passing through the various critical moments and obstacles. Among them, first and foremost problem is COVID-19, which has become like a nightmare to all, and we all are hoping when we will get relief from this situation. To combat with COVID-19, we must need an efficient vaccine. So today we will discuss about most promising COVID-19 vaccine and about their development stage, and of course when this vaccine will be available in market. So I think after watching this video you will get a clear conception about various vaccine status. Without wasting time, let's go. Number 1, Moderna vaccine USA. Development of the vaccine. The US-based Moderna Therapeutics said that it had received approval from the FDA, US Food and Drug Administration, to conduct the phase 2 clinics of its potential COVID-19 vaccine candidate. It is important to note that Moderna has already conducted phase 1 trials of its vaccine candidate mRNA-1273 in Seattle, Washington. The RNA vaccine candidate was tested on 45 healthy volunteers who were injected 28 days apart. Moderna Incorporation is now continuing phase 2 trial on 600 healthy volunteers. The participants are in two groups, one of them between the age of 18 to 55 years old, while the other group is individuals over 55 years old. The candidates is given 2 shots of the mRNA-1273 vaccine 28 days apart. Expected date to get the vaccine. Moderna is preparing to launch phase 3 of the trials in July. CEO Stephen Bancel said that there was a high probability that the company's product could be ready by the end of this year and reach the distribution stage in early 2021. Number 2, Oxford Vaccine UK. Development of the vaccine. The AZD1222 vaccine, jointly developed by British pharma giant AstraZeneca and Oxford University, is likely to provide protection against contracting COVID-19 for about a year. The company's chief executive has told a news agency. The British drug maker has already begun human trials of the vaccine, with a phase 1 trial in Britain due to end soon and a phase 3 trial already begun. Pascal Soriot told broadcaster Bell RTL, "We think that it will protect for about a year," Soriot said. Testing of the experimental COVID-19 vaccine in healthy volunteers had begun in Britain in April with over 1,000 people aged 18 to 55. Expected date to get the vaccine. If all goes well, we will have the result of the clinical trial in August-September. We are manufacturing in parallel. We will be ready to deliver from October 2020, Soriot said. Number 3, CanSino vaccine, China. Development of the vaccine. On March 16, China's CanSino Biologics became the world's first company to begin a clinical study of a vaccine designed to protect against infection of SARS-CoV-2, the novel coronavirus that causes COVID-19. Less than 10 weeks later, the company has achieved another first in the global vaccine race: publication of peer-reviewed data assessing the safety and immunogenicity of a COVID-19 vaccine. In the farm's phase 1 safety study, 108 people got one of 3 doses of the vaccine. Most people developed immune response as measured by the level of antibodies and T cells that target the spike protein. The low and medium doses are being compared to a placebo in the company's ongoing phase 2 study of 500 people, which began in April. expected date to get the vaccine. As it has started phase 2 clinical trial in April and now running through phase 3 clinical trial parallelly, we can expect that we will get the vaccine by the end of this year. Number 4. Inovio Vaccine USA. Development of the vaccine. Inovio Pharmaceuticals is developing a DNA-based vaccine candidate in its San Diego lab. The biotechnology company also received a $6.9 million funding from the Coalition for Epidemic Preparedness Innovations (CEPI). The Plymouth Meeting-based biopharmaceutical company completed phase 1 of clinical study 140 healthy volunteers. It is important to note that Inovio went from producing a vaccine to conducted trials in a span of just 83 days. Phase 2 of the trial is slated for the last week of May, where the 40 volunteers has been injected with its vaccine candidate INO 4800. The result of the safety and efficiency of the potential COVID-19 vaccine is expected to be out by the end of June, after which the biotech company will begin the phase 2/3 of the trial. Expected date to get the vaccine. We plan on delivering 1 million doses by November of this year with existing resources and capacity, said CEO of Inovio. Number 5. Serum Institute Vaccine India. Development of the vaccine. Pune-based Serum Institute of India (SII) is leading contender for vaccine development. The company, which is known to produce over 1 crore doses of vaccine in a year used to treat other diseases, has partnered up with the University of Oxford to speed up the development of a safe and affordable coronavirus vaccine. Expected date to get the vaccine. As Serum Institute tie up with the Oxford University and already started manufacturing vaccine about million of doses. If the phase 3 trial becomes successful, then we will get the vaccine in October this year. So, it was the top promising COVID-19 vaccine candidates which are showing the light of hope to the world. And at last, if you like the video, please do like, comment and share and subscribe the channel.